Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic kinematics of fluid flow. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2001, question number 2.14, 1 mark from the mechanical. The two-dimensional flow field with velocity vector x plus 2y plus 2i cap plus 4 minus y j cap is compressible and irrotational. Second option is compressible and not irrotational. Third option is incompressible and irrotational, and D is incompressible and not irrotational. So we have to check for both whether the flow is compressible or incompressible, and second case we have to check for whether the flow is rotational or irrotational. So one by one we'll check. First of all, what is given here? Two-dimensional velocity field is given. So I'll write the given velocity field here. So V vector is equal to x plus 2y plus 2 I cap plus 4 minus y j cap. So as per the given data, this is your velocity component in the x direction u, and this is your v, correct? So first of all, we are going to see for the compressibility check and how we can do this. So I will write number 1, we'll go for the compressibility check. Compressibility check from the continuity equation. So continuity equation we are going to write for the two-dimensional flow field, dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y equal to 0. So we have this equation. If any given velocity field is satisfying this equation, then I can say the given flow field is two-dimensional, steady, as well as incompressible. The given velocity field is two-dimensional, steady, and incompressible, because after giving this condition only we have derived this equation dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y equal to 0. Now we'll do the differentiation of the u. So u is your x plus 2y plus 2. If you find dou u by dou x from this equation, look at the cursor, dou u by dou x, so you will be getting 1 here, plus dou v by dou y, this is v component, dou v by dou y is your minus 1. So 1 plus minus 1 is 0. So definitely I can say the given velocity field is two-dimensional, steady, and incompressible, correct? So that means which option is correct now, as of now, with this conclusion? A is here compressible, A is wrong. B is also compressible, B is also wrong. So either it can be C or D, and for that we have to check whether the flow is rotational or irrotational. So now we'll check for the rotationality of the flow. Second one is your rotationality check. Rotationality check. So rotation component omega z we are going to take omega z. Why we are taking omega z? Because the velocity component u and v are given, so we can utilize in this equation. Otherwise, if you take any other component, then the third component, z component velocity, is not given. So half z is there, x minus y, this is the formula, and here it will be v and here it will be u. So here also again we have to differentiate. Dou v by dou x, it will be 0, minus dou u by dou y. When you do dou u by dou y, you will be getting 2. So it is equal to, so this is equal to minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. So omega z is equal to minus 1. That means it is a rotational flow. Value is coming. It is a rotational flow. If omega z is coming equal to, suppose if omega z is coming equal to 0, right? So 0 means omega is rotation. So rotation is 0. Omega is rotation and rotation is 0. that means it is irrotational flow. Correct? If omega z is 0, then it is irrotational flow. But here what we are getting? We are getting here omega z is equal to -1. So it is a rotational flow. Now look at this. So that option is not there, rotational. But what it is written here? Not irrotational. Correct? This can be the correct option, D. So C is wrong because C is telling irrotational. Irrotational means omega z should be equal to 0. So, but we are not getting 0. We are getting -1. So option C is wrong. And the correct option is D. Okay. Thank you.